And I'm going to show you how I put the slide on the end of my zipper. So what you do is you're going to open your zipper just a little bit, pulling the teeth apart. And you want to take your slide and you want to have the rounded corner starting into the zipper. So you're going to put one side in just a little ways. Make sure you've got your zipper tab flipped down because as you'll see on mine, it has these little locks here. And if those are up, then you won't be able to get your zipper in. And then I'm going to put the other side in. And with my finger, I'm just going to push it a little until I feel them start to touch each other. And then you'll just gently wiggle your zipper down. And there you have your slide already on your zipper and ready to go.